At the young age of 34, my mother suddenly passed away, and I all of a sudden became caregiver to a grandmother 88, an uncle 89, and an uncle that was 16, mentally challenged and bedridden. Although I knew how to sell the real estate, I didn't know how to do the rest of the process. There's a lot that has to happen before we get to the sale of the home. But what do you do with the belongings in the home? Can you do some work to it in order to get the property fixed up so that you can make more money out of it? Or do you need a really quick sale? I started coming up with these different plans and processes in order to remove the chaos from the whole entire experience. So what Downsize Allies does is we are your trusted advisor. Not only we maximize the sale, but we coordinate the chaos along the way. And that's from moving to packing, contractors to fix the home up, finding them a new place to go. We project manage from beginning to end. We ask questions from our clients about what they need because every situation, I promise you, is different. Oftentimes when clients come to us, they really don't know who to turn to. And when they come to us, we not only take it seriously, but we want to make sure that we earn that trust and keep that trust. When you can see the relief on their face of finalizing that process for them, the tears in their eyes, the thank you cards, the hugs, it's just more than selling a house. Probably what I hear most from our clients that use Downsize Allies is not only are we a one-stop shop, but they trust us to manage the whole entire process. We make it seamless, convenient, and easy for them every step of the way. So if you're considering downsizing to a smaller home, condo, independent, assisted, memory care, over 55 community, whether it's across town or across the country, call us. We really do handle the house and everything else.